Hi, let's see one of the question on indexing. Suppose we have an ordered file of 30,000 records, 30,000 records on a disk with a block size is 1024 bytes, right? So total number of records are 30,000 and block size is 1024 bytes, guys, right? Yes, records are of fixed and are on unspanned of size 100 bytes, meaning that they have given a record size also. So record size is 100 bytes and which is of unspanned. Suppose we have created a primary index on the key field of the file of size 9 bytes. So they have given key size also, right? Key size is 9 bytes and a block pointer of size 6 bytes. So block pointer size is 6 bytes. Then find the average number of block accesses to search a record using with and without index, right? So you need to find out average number of block accesses, average number of block accesses with and without index, guys. So first let us try to do with respect to without indexing, right? So without indexing, what is going to happen if I am going to have a disk, right? How it is going to store? They are going to store in the form of blocks, right? So for that you need to find total number of records per block. You know the total number of records I can able to calculate with the help of the block size by record size. Block size by record size, I can able to place 10 records. I cannot able to place 10.24, right? Because it is of unspanned size, right? So total 10 records I can able to place in one particular block. Like this, if I am going to place 30,000 records, how many blocks are required? Simply 30,000 by 10, which is equal to 3,000 blocks are required to store the entire data. Now on this 3,000 blocks, can I able to apply some kind of binary search algorithm? Yes, log 3000 base 2, log 3000 base 2, which is approximately I think 2048 plus something, right? So that is 11 point something. So if it is 11 point something, I can say that 12 block accesses are required, 12 block accesses are required if you are going to work with without indexing. Without indexing, if you would like to access a particular data item, total number of block accesses are required are 12, right? Suppose if it is going to with index, what is going to happen? For every block what you have created in the data file, we are going to have index record. So how many index records you are going to have here now? 3000 index records. Now these 3000 records are again going to place in the form of some kind of block, right? Yes. So per block how many index records are going to be stored? You can able to calculate 1024 bytes by what is the record size index file, which is a sum of key size as well as block pointer size. So that is 15. So 1024 by 15, which is equal to around 68 point something number. So I can take it as 68. So total number of records, index records I can able to store are 68. If total number of index records are 68, how many blocks are required? Simply 3000 by 68. 3000 by 68, which is around 44 point something. So I can write it as 45 blocks are required. So if I am going to have 45 blocks, how can we access a particular data item? You need to have simply log 45 base 2 plus, once you identified a particular block, you are going to go for the other block also. That is why I have written the 45 base 2 plus 1. So which is so 2 power 5 is 32. So 5 point something, right? So 5 point something means this will be a seal. So I can directly write as 6 plus 1. So totally required 7 block accesses. Required 7 block accesses, right? Guys, the way I have explained here is very fast. if you have the idea, then it is okay. If you are unable to understood, you can just go through the earlier video so that you can get clear idea, right? Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.